Hello, let's make mouse trail effect in Scratch in very simple steps. First of all, let's choose a sprite. Now, let's drag a when green flag click block, drag a forever loop, now drag a go to random position block inside the forever loop and make it go to mouse pointer. Now let's try our code so far. The sprite is following the mouse pointer. Now to make the mouse trail effect, let's drag create clone of myself inside the forever loop. Now let's drag when I start as clone block. Let's drag a repeat block. Now inside the repeat block, place the change color effect block. At last, let's drag delete this clone block below the repeat block. Now let's try our code. The sprite is making the trail perfectly.
Great!